We're going to begin by trimming our traceable and graphite paper down to size, and then tape it to our canvas. Make sure the graphite paper is shiny side down. Then, take a ballpoint pen and trace over all the lines in your stencil. Don't forget the eyes and beak. When you're done, carefully pull up the tape and paper, and your canvas should look like this. Now it's time to paint. Take a brush, dip it into the medium orange paint, and fill in the turkey's face. Paint around his eyes, beak, and gobbler. Next, dip into your light orange and fill in the turkey's body. Grab a small clean brush, dip it into the dark orange, and carefully fill in the turkey's wings. Go back to your larger brush and fill in the turkey's bottom feathers with medium orange. Leave the two stripes white for now. Dip into the darker orange and fill in the two feathers above those. Then switch back to your medium orange and paint on the next two feathers right above those. Grab a small brush and fill in the little bit of feather peeking out behind your turkey's hat with dark orange. It's looking good so far. Next, dip into your brown paint and draw 3 lines going out from the side of your turkey near the base of each feather like this. Then go back and blend them in. This makes them look more like real feathers. Do the same thing on the other feathers, with shorter lines of course. Grab your small brush and draw some wavy lines on the turkey's chest. It'll sort of look like water waves, but in brown. Now it's time to fill in the feather stripes with light orange. Then go over the brown feather lines with light orange too. Grab a clean flat brush and fill in the turkey's hat with black paint. Leave the ribbon part white. Fill in his big round eyes with black too. But leave the pupils or little circles inside white. You can give him some black eyebrows if you want to. Mix a little bit of black with some white until you have the color gray. Paint the hat's ribbon gray. Then, add a gray line going up the left side of the hat and a curved line going around the left side of the hat's brim. Paint the top flat part of the hat gray too. Then, add a gray line just inside the bottom of each eye. The gray color makes the black look shiny. Grab a clean small brush and paint the turkey's beak and feet yellow. Then paint his gobbler red. Next, take a wide brush and paint all the background black. Then, dip your small brush into some yellow paint and draw a square in the center of his hat ribbon to make a buckle. Go over the yellow square with a bit of light orange so that it looks gold. Dip a clean brush into white paint and fill in the small eye circles or pupils. Now, you can stop here and be finished with your turkey, or you can keep going. If you'd like to keep going, then follow the next few steps. Paint thin black lines between each feather. Then, outline the turkey's head, body, and wings with black paint. Add some details to his beak with a thin brush and black. Add a pair of small white dots to his eyes using the back end of your paintbrush dipped in some white paint. Add a curved white line at the end of each feather and another row of wavy feathers on his chest. Finally, add a curved white line to his gobbler. And that's it, you're all done. Now let's take a look at our finished turkey. Isn't he cute? See, you can paint anything as long as you break it down into simple steps.